Why was it important for you to actually come down here and register in person on day one?
I believe numbers matter. Numbers are powerful. You know, we have numbers marching for all different types of things over the United States. And so even if it's just me alone, I want to be able to tell my other ex-felons that it's nothing to be afraid of. You know, go down there, register, have your voice heard out in the public, because this is going to change futures for us. This is going to bring about a drastic shift in where we were to where we are heading to now.
Did you ever think this day would come?
I was hopeful. I've never doubted it, but I was very hopeful, and now it's here, and so we need to take advantage of it. We need to have our voice heard. If I can forgive myself, God has forgiven me. Sure enough, the nation, by God we trust, can give me a second chance. 2017, I started with ACLU, with going down to Tallahassee, criminal reform. This year, we did some campaigning with the Amendment 4, was so excited. I couldn't vote for Amendment 4, but everyone around me that supported me, my church family, my community, my family voted. And so now, this coming up election, I will be in the polls voting.
And will this be your first election?
This will be my first election, and I am excited. I think I'm gonna camp out there that night. But I am excited to partake in the presidential election because, I mean, it's lost for words. Everybody knows that this is our voice counts. My life matters. Just because I made a mistake in my past, it does not dictate my future. It would never dictate my future.